Happy Valentine's Day, Curious George, with hold out flaps. This is George. He lived with his friend, the man with the yellow hat. He was a good little monkey and always very curious. It was Valentine's Day. George and his friend invited the neighborhood kids over to celebrate. George was so excited. First, George and his friends decorated the house. George loves balloons. How big could his get? Big, bigger, pop! Then they decorated cookies. There were 3 colors of icing and many different kinds of sprinkles. The icing looked nice on George's cookie, and it was fun to juggle too. Now what would they do next? Make valentines? Of course! George made a special card for the man with the yellow hat. But, oh, what was this? That big box was certainly very interesting. Perhaps he could create something with it. George thought and thought. Then George had an idea. He put a bow here and some glitter there, then cut a hole in the top. George was making a fancy box for the valentines from his friend. Everyone began to clean up. Before he knew it, all that hard work made George a sleepy monkey. Soon the man with the yellow hat and the children came looking for George. Now where could he be? All they found was a big box. Until the man lifted the lid off the box, and out popped George. They were all so happy to see him, and the children all cheered. Happy Valentine's Day, George! The end.